Check me out. Free bucks. 2018 with it. Free my nigga Bones. Overkill. Woo, what up? You know what it is. I'm skywalking. Check it. I got that workout, dishing the weight. I'm just a nigga trying to eat. I'm about to finish my plate. I done had a little too much to drink. I'm feeling hungover, side on the Dutch. I'm dizzy and got my gun loaded. The #1 soldier standing on the front line. Find me on the late night, traiping to the sunshine. I'll be sticking to one grind. Like I don't got the Reggie with it. Rocking for my gang, I'm a bang, plus I'm a heavy hitter. The Fetty kidder, I be staking it up. I'm either sipping on their liquor or I'm cranking my Dutch. Hot boxing in the back of the truck. I keep on coughing though, killing niggas dead. What you think I keep a locking for? Stay on my toes, the street code, I still be following it. That Glock got the later on with the hollows in it. I play the strip, but they rain in the drought. Niggas a game until the thing come out. We bout to take over. I'm with the drop, told them squad up, nigga. Pull a corner in their Vic, I'm about to slide up, nigga. Roll the window down slow, see the Desi, and do a double take. Same type time as the karma, that bitch ain't never late. The letter H, 1E, 2 hockey sticks. Big Daddy came when I walk, I'm on some cocky shit. I'm in the trade, play the strip, and the hustle killed them. Made them Seahawks like Seattle when I ain't Russell Wilson. Niggas ain't like familiar, they ain't getting served. Couple of my homies down just for trying to flip a bird. My future looking real bright, I don't talk heavy. If you want some of this work, come take this walk with me. Extended 150 cal, I'm about that big shit. Leave you with an open face Reuben and your wig split. And I ain't puffing the paw, I got this sig shooting. Niggas talking brolic when they softer than the Fig Newton. I shot right, I'm on my grocery bag. And keep the ice rug on like I'm supposed to be mad. And where I'm from, these niggas really think it's worth it to hate. Be trying to date me, I see right through they smirk on your faces. Sickening, you don't want me clipping, letting off the heck catch. About to start throwing that shit like Dave Prescott. And that's the personal file. You see the tech pop, I'm really with the shits and the wiggles. They play the wet block. Don't mean to brag, I'm probably one of the best out. Keep my scully on, 40 cock with my vest out. Leave a nigga stretched out, riding when it's reppin' time. Twisting up the clover leaf, I got it from the leprechaun. I need an expedition, heckler gripping. Might have your whole section missing. More stripes than Adidas, still Nike checking niggas. Keep a little dot that got a Glock that's respecting bitches. Ignorant John, probably start wigging on them. Snoop off the wire, feel they fire from a stinging hornet. Eating like a king, my neck froze, but the wrist better. Handle on Bibby, I be shooting like I'm Chris Webber. Pop like Stojakovic.